Those are $30.
Yes.
So, okay, Micah, what are we getting?
We're getting some centipedes and a balancing bird.
And we have Elle here. Alright, we're gonna buy this and we're gonna have fun.
Hi. Hi.
Micah's toy reviews. Alright. Talk! Today we're gonna be reviewing vintage balancing bird.
You know it's vintage because they put vintage on the box.
With a really vintage text. So it promises easy to balance, great for tricks, amazing feats,
balance it, amazing stunts.
Set beak on any object, it keeps its balance. So we have Elle here.
I have, what are they called again?
McGlittos, but we're gonna save those for later. So Elle is our #1 fan, right?
I'm the #1
She loves MTR, subscribe to the MTR channel. In fact, you should subscribe to the MTR channel if you're watching.
We broke the case.
But is our bird already broken?
I don't know.
Probably.
Unboxing time!
So here, we have Micah unboxing it. Tell us a little about this bird. Did your great-grandpappy have one in the 40s?
Probably.
He was just like walking around
vintage.
the street,
My
just spinning it. Alright, so Micah smell test. Is it made in China? Chemical plastic?
Yeah. Whoa, look at this. Hui!
Whoa!
It flew!
It sounds like this is the cheapest toy ever made.
Bounce it on Bonobo.
Whoa, it's magic!
Spin it.
How does that work? Yes, balance it on Bonobo. Vintage toy meets vintage toy.
I'm almost positive this is not a vintage toy.
That's pretty neat.
Whoa, I've got an idea.
Micah, spin him round, round, baby. Oh! Oh, no!
Ah!
Guys, this is like the world's
Here's
first
Bonobo
fidget
also.
spinner.
This is my boyfriend, Bonobo.
No, you can't objectify Bonobo. Stop that. No, leave him alone. If that works.
Oh.
He looks like a Hawaiian king. Welcome to my kingdom. So now we have to do the bird fly test.
I got you, baby. I got you. No!
It cannot fly. Okay, now we're gonna do a drop test. It doesn't break. Okay.
Oh!
You snapped his little baby bird neck.
Welcome to my empire, my child.
Wait, it's still alive! What should we name it?
Edward. He's alive. Okay, so survive the drop test. So, Micah, what would you rate this product?
You know, people can't really break it. Oh, is it broken? It balances on everything.
It's pretty cool.
It's invulnerable. You can't break it.
It's functional.
It's nice. I'd rate it 10 out of 10.
I rate it 10 out of 10.
Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go to, you guys have seen the glitters before. They were in the first episode. Well, those were only spiders. So now we're gonna do, the centipedes.
Nitelgo Longworms.
That's a centipede.
I like how they've got the spider for the longworms.
They were too lazy to change the image.
Yeah, it's probably there for like all of them. What company is this? This is
Jaru.
Jaru.
We love Jaru!
Jaru! Alright, unboxing. Yo, this is some pretty good packaging.
Those are
all centipedes.
centipedes. Ah!
How to prank little children. No, whenever they walk out. Oh my god, it's a big bug!
That's pretty. Ow! What? How did one end up back there?
I threw it.
What would you rate these, Al?
I would rate this a... What's half of 10?
You don't know what half 10 is?
I give this a 5 because there's nothing you can do with them. Like, really.
Micah, what would you rate the spiders? I mean the longworms.
The longworms, I would probably have to rate them like maybe a 83 out of 10 because of you know, you throw them, they go pretty far, and that's pretty fun, and you could throw them at your friends, and they're like, "Achoo!"
And you prank them.
Yeah, it's a prank. I got it. Who wants to fly?
Micah, if you want to make some YouTube money, throw this at a random stranger in San Francisco. Joey Savage on tour.
Should I prank a small child?
Gets actually arrested.
I mean, is it illegal to prank them?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, you can't prank small children.
What if it's a fake prank?
Well, all pranks are fake. That's what a prank is. Joey Savage.
Yo, it didn't really work.
Joey, could you come over here and tell us why it didn't work?
We've lost another longworm.
Joey, we have to make that YouTube money. Get back here. Okay, sit in your seat, Joey. We're gonna do an interview. So, Joey Savage, you think that the liberal media have anything to do with this?
Yes, this is all the liberal media's fault. They are like, no more pranks. But then we're like, yes, more pranks. And then YouTube is firing us.
I agree with you, Joey Savage. Do the Joey Savage movement.
Joey Savage!
Oh, yeah!
Stay cool, bro.
Stay coolie.
So this is the first video of the new MTR channel. Well,
Yeah!
Micah, what do you have to say?
Congratulations to the MTR channel, me.
It's raining. Do you
It
think...
took us real hard to get here, and we really did a lot for ourselves. I'd like everyone to... Hi!
what do you have to say?
About, this channel rocks.
Are you excited for what MTR has to offer in the future?
I'm hoping.
Yes.
Oh, I'm glad. Yeah, so stick with us, guys. We'll have lots of fun.
You got
Great
so much
videos.
stuff in your hair.
It's all your fault. It's all your fault.